Alright, this lesson is about operations on matrices, and don't worry, it's way easier than Gaussian elimination was. So we're going to jump right in. Two matrices are equal when they have the same order and the corresponding entries are equal. You can only add and subtract matrices if they have the same order, they're the same size, and you add and subtract the corresponding entries. Okay, so adding and subtracting with matrices is pretty easy. So number one, this is almost too obvious, we want to find out what the entry A11, remember A11 is the entry in row 1, column 1. So A11, well, it's this thing, 6. A12, the thing in row 1, column 2, is 3. A21 is in row 2, column 1, that's -2. And A22 is in row 2, column 2, which is 4. Done. All right, now we want to evaluate this. We want to add this. So again, adding and subtracting matrices is super easy because you just add the corresponding entries. Since these are both 2 by 2 matrices, our answer is going to be 2 by 2. So to start, we do 4 plus 2, which is 6. -1 plus -1, which is -2. 2 plus 0 is 2. -3 plus 6 is 3. All right. Number 3, we just have a few more things to do. First, we're asked to find A plus B. Okay, so to find A plus B, again, it's going to be the same size. So 4 plus 0 is 4. -1 plus 4 is 3. 0 plus -1 is -1. 4 plus 3 is 7. -3 plus 1 is -2. And 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay. Just erase my little marks. Now the next thing that we want to find is A minus B. Okay, so we're going to do basically the same thing. Take this number minus this number. So 4 minus 0 is 4. -1 minus 4 is -5. 0 minus a -1 is going to be +1. 4 minus 3 is 1. -3 minus 1 is -4. And 8 minus 7 is 1. Next, we want to find 3A. What 3A wants us to do is take our matrix A and we're going to multiply everything by 3. All of it. So 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times -1 is -3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times -3 is -9. 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, the last one is asking us for 3A minus 2B. So we want 3A minus 2B. Okay, so it might be helpful to write this out a little bit. Now notice we just did 3A, so I'm just going to rewrite this matrix that we just found out. Okay, that's 3A right here. Okay, now I'm also going to find 2B and then I'm going to subtract these two things. So I'm going to multiply everything in matrix B by 2. So I get 0, 8, -2, 6, 2, and 14. And then finally, I'm going to subtract those two things. So 12 minus 0 is 12. -3 minus 8 is -11. 0 minus -2 is +2. 12 minus 6 is 6. -9 minus 2 is -11, and 24 minus 14 is 10. Now, these are some examples of some basic adding and subtracting scalar multiplication with matrices. I'd like you to go to page 714 in your textbook and actually look at some of the properties, because a lot of the properties that you're familiar with numbers work, like A plus B equals B plus A, the commutative property, associative property. So please, please, please check that out because it was too much to write in all of your notes. And on the next video, we'll take care of the next few problems.